Do not leave your coin collection to your loved ones until you watch this video. Hello everyone, this is Daniel and you are watching Coin Help You. Hit the like button, hit the thumbs down button, it don't matter. Click the bell to subscribe so you get the latest notifications. Today we're going to talk about leaving your collection to your family members. So when you're gone, they get your collection. There's a few things that you need to know before you do this. I'm going to start off with a story about my dad. Now, my dad, he's 84 years old, and he started collecting coins back in 1954. He worked for a vending company, and he started pulling coins out of his change, like the 1950 D. Jefferson nickel, and he would resell it for $1 or 50 cents and make some money off of something he got out of his change. Well, as Dad grew in the business, he never was full-time, but he did have a couple coin shops part-time with some partners. He was also in the coin club, and he met a lot of lawyers and doctors and collectors, and some of them had, $1 million collection, let's say, or several $100,000. They would tell Dad that I'm put your name in this collection, so when something happens to me, you're going to handle this collection. And since then, well, as they passed away, Dad never handled those collections. There was one collection in particular that had a $4 gold Stella. Now, if you don't know what a $4 gold Stella is, they're extremely rare. They're coins that go around 100,000 average. And this coin did go for over $100,000. Dad bought that for his collection and sold it to him, along with a bunch of other coins. And his name was supposed to be in that collection, and he was supposed to handle it when something happened. Well, something did happen. His wife was so angry that she didn't want anything to do with what he wanted done. She wanted to do it her way. So she had someone else handle the collection. It brings a lot of things to mind. Putting someone's name in a collection usually gets thrown out. It doesn't usually happen. I'm not saying it never will, but it doesn't. A lot of times family members just don't care about the coins or don't want left the coins. They have nothing, they don't know anything about coins. And there is anger. Some people do get angry when someone leaves them, their loved one, and leave them a mess. They don't want you, they want you back. They relied on you. Well, if they don't know about coins and you're leaving them coins, that is a mistake. My suggestion is not to just leave random coins to your family and let them deal with it when you're gone so that you can enjoy and have fun with it today. There's nothing wrong with having fun with your coin collection today, but you don't want to create a problem for your loved ones when you're gone. My suggestion would be detailed instructions on how the coins are to be handled and who is supposed to handle them. Have it go through an attorney. And speaking of attorneys, and I'm not saying attorneys do this or have ever done this, I'm not 100% sure, but I have heard that attorneys who write some of this up put clauses in there knowing that the person who's paying them to do this living will or to handle this collection, so that they actually have a part in handling that collection or have a say in handling the collection. If you don't read everything and it's not exactly the way you wrote it, there is that chance that there's somebody who can do that to you. So what you need to do is that you write it up and you make sure you read every single word. And if you have to, take it to another attorney out of town. Get second opinions. That's always a good thing when it comes to coin collections and whenever you're gone, how people handle those collections. And don't put down Red Book, Coin World values, or PCGS values. Don't do the retail thing. If your coins are graded, actually use realistic values that they can actually get out of the coins and maybe what a dealer might pay them. You can always consult a dealer. Let a dealer appraise a collection and say, look, I'm going to pay you, and this is what I want you to do. I want you to appraise my collection and tell me how much it's worth and then how much you would pay for it, because I want my family to know what to do with them. Now, obviously, it's going to be dated. Some values can change, and that also should be put in there as well. You want to be realistic with your family members. You want to be realistic with your coins. If you have a bunch of raw coins, then they're probably going to go for raw coin values. If you have a bunch of raw varieties, double dies and things like that, that's not going to do a service to your family members whenever they have no idea what that means. And they would never know if a coin dealer was ripping them off or not. They just wouldn't know. You can put all the values on the holders you want. I've seen that before as well. It's not going to work. It won't help, because as soon as dealers see written values on a 2x2 or whatever you have, they're going to tell the family members that that's not what it means. They were wrong, or this is incorrect. And maybe you don't know double dice and you think you're leaving your family a bunch of money. Don't do that. Have them verify. Please, your family member loves you, and once you're gone, it hurts enough to be left with a bunch of junk or a bunch of coins that they can't deal with because they don't know anything about. And another thing, please don't leave your family members fake coins. Make sure the coins that you're buying are authentic. Make sure you're not buying coins all online that are fake. Try to buy certified coins if you can, but have the coins checked out. You can send messages to dealers. You can post coin sales, or at least, let's say, a coin listing online in a Facebook group or on my help forum, and we can tell you if it's fake or not, if it's a good purchase or not. And another thing, don't leave coins that you purchased and paid way too much for and think that they're going to have a return in the future, because all of these online shopping networks on TV, a lot of them, they just use snake oil sales tactics to make you think that coin should be worth more or is going to be worth more in the future. And you've got your receipts. I've got receipts, folks, of right now. I can show you. And these receipts show how much somebody paid. These here are actually precious metals quarter set. This set had platinum plated and gold plated state quarters. You saw them. They come in the little boxes. I've shown them before, and these were actually, order total was $150.90. Folks, you can see who did it. Okay? That's not a joke. This is real. I've got a whole stack of them, and believe it or not, this was a friend of mine. His mother actually purchased these. She bought a bunch. I got them all right here. I'm not making this up, and I'm not saying this about a company because I think that they're successful. It has nothing to do with their success. What I'm trying to inform you, that when you are leaving your coin collection to your family, you don't want to leave them bogus coins. You don't want to leave them coins you paid too much for and expect them to get more out of them because you're gone and because the years passed. Also, don't leave them just a bunch of coins that don't have instructions or some type of living will so that they know what to do with it. You want someone you can trust to handle the coins or buy those coins. You've enjoyed it. Now you're gone. Don't ruin it for them. If they love coins, that's fine. They're going to keep it. I get that. But you can't make them keep coins. It's not fair to the family to make them keep something that they don't want. So therefore, if they want to sell it, give them that option. But also with that option, give them a legitimate option. Somebody that you can trust, someone they can trust, or someone you did trust. Have it written up. Do your living will. Have a will. Have an executor. Have instructions on it. Consult some people who you do trust about how to do this. Because a lot of coin dealers can tell you how to handle a collection. They can tell you what you need to do. So anyways, hopefully this helps you open your eyes a little bit to leaving your coin collection to your family, how to do it, how you shouldn't do it, and what not to buy and what to buy. Watch my other videos, because I have a lot of videos that show you what not to do in this business. I also have videos on tell you how to do things in this business. So thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.